Hey, what's up? This is Jared with the Daily App Show. Today we're going to take a look at miLightPegs for the iPhone. Now we've looked at it for the iPad as well because there are two different versions. There is the iPhone version and then there is the huge iPad version, which is a lot of fun as well. So make sure to check out that video also. So we're looking at our grid here. And as I mentioned in the other video, if you recall having a light bright as a child or as an adult, but if you're old enough to probably have your own cell phone contract, you probably remember that you had a light bright or somebody had a light bright, and you basically would tap or you would grab these little color plastic deals and put them in there to make different designs. And you could do the same thing on your iPhone, your iPod Touch, or of course the iPad. And so very simple to just do this, go and tap and grab here. We can also rotate into our landscape mode, and it rotates as well, as you can see, and then comes right back. Two taps and we get a menu. Under settings, we have whether we turn on and off the grid, our grid brightness, our board density, so how many the size of the grid, and then peg show a glow. And so basically what that does is it kind of makes the pegs glow. I like it turned off personally. And then we have the ability to set our colors here. Those are the colors that come preloaded, but on any of these, including the two empty ones below, we can go and select from this huge list of colors and set our own colors for these as well. So let's go back and let me show you how to switch colors. So on pegs that you've already put in, you can tap on them and they change colors. Or when you pull a peg out, you can continue to tap and the colors will change as it goes through the colors that you have put up in settings. So here's that hot pink one that we just created. Let's go ahead and drag it out there. So what's cool is you could use your own creativity to make a nice design and then double tap, and you can go in and share this picture. You can email it, you can TwitPic it, you can put it in your photo library, or you can copy it for MMS so you can send it as a text message to somebody else on your iPhone. Or if you're on an iPod Touch, then you'll just simply need some sort of an application that allows you to send multimedia messages. I can also save this picture from within the application, giving it a name, and then of course I can access it at any time. So let's just put I'm just going to put the word test in there and save that as a new picture. So now that picture is saved. If I double tap, I can fill the board with whatever color I had last selected, and then I could go in and create a design on top of that. So if you want to start out with a full color, very easy to do that. Double tap again, clear the board, and the board is cleared. I can also load a previous picture that I had just simply by going to load picture, and then there's that one that we were toying around with when we first started. So this is a lot of fun. I would consider it entertaining, also a game at the same time, because you can create nice little pictures and then send them to people. It really takes me back to my childhood. Maybe if they're even still selling light brights out there, this is just a kind of new, different way to do it, probably even a little more environmentally friendly because of all the plastic pieces, and even safer. I remember stepping on those things as a kid because I forgot to pick them up. So definitely check out this game. I think it's a lot of fun. Definitely going to be fun for the kids. It's called miLightPegs. You can get it in the App Store today.